Hey guys, it's Robert again. I want to say thanks for watching my channel, subscribing and liking. Today, quick video, I'm going to be talking about hard shell taco. So before I had some issues, we actually, if you haven't seen my other videos, I actually had a Gatortrax cover over it, and we ended up going to Lake Elsinore, and I had a hard time packing everything. So I decided, hey, you know what? This is a pain in the rear. I'm giving up. If one day is going to be like that, how is 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, especially with the whole family? So I decided, I said, hey, I need to look for some kind of cover. I actually was getting a soft topper and actually bought it and was going to install it until I found on Craigslist this guy. It's called a Highliner. It's a little bit taller than what most of them are, and I like it. So a couple of names they have for these guys. Again, I call it hard shell taco. Could be a camper shell, a shell, a canopy, a cap, a topper, hard topper, and that should be it. Kind of look a little grandpa at first, but because it has the Prinzy rack here, it made the top a little bit cleaner as far as flushing it out. Where the advantage of a shell is you're going to be able to seal out the elements when you weatherproof it. There's usually a couple of gaps here that it can leak. It wouldn't matter if it's a hard top, soft top, or a tonneau. You're going to have some leaks. So you got to take care of those leaks there. The advantage of the hard topper is security to an extent. Now, security doesn't stop a dishonest person. It only stops the honest thief. So the honest thief that sees it locked, they're not going to mess with it. But the one that decides to break it window, it's going to break the window, so it won't matter. Now with a soft topper, they can cut it just like a convertible. So that's one of the disadvantages of the soft topper. The advantage of the soft top, though, it only weighs 35 pounds. So with 35 pounds, it's going to be easy to remove. You can actually open it like a canopy, like Jurassic Park style if you want. Now, this hard topper weighs around 200 pounds. To do it by yourself would not be a good idea. So what you want to do is either get at least one guy, but I think 3 other guys, to get that easily removed. And also room, where do you keep it when you're done with it? Soft toppers, foldable, convertible, you could put it away. So you have to ask yourself, how many times do you decide to put things that are taller than the topper? The Highliner, I was able to put big wheels and tires without worrying about it. So again, this is not for everybody, this style. People want it flush. I wanted it flush, but after getting this one, I really like it. Now, a lot of people say, why don't you get a 4Runner? Well, or SUV. Well, with that, you can't load 5.5 feet to 6.5 feet length of merchandise in the back. You usually have, what, 4 feet, a little bit less than the SUV, unless you put the seats down. Then if you went to do outdoor things, fishing or whatever, you're gonna have a lot of stinky things. And then do you want stinky things inside your cabin? All right, so I am 6'1", and with this, I am sitting up, and Jonah's a little bit shorter. He's sitting up, and he has plenty of room in here. You can see the gap with this Highliner that I can add more stuff. I actually picked up wheels, and this made a difference too as far as room. So a lot of room going in here, and that's another reason why I got that. So if you had to camp out with the family, kumbaya, my lord, kumbaya, kumbaya, my kumbaya. And because of that, I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think?